Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 6 trades. Today's date is February the 20th and I'm using my brand new Magic Scalper trading system. This system uses Heikin-Ashi candles on the top. It's a custom indicator, and also another custom indicator I use is the super signal indicator. That's the one with the arrows here. You will get an audio sound and a pop-up box like you see here suggesting whether you should be thinking about buying and or selling. Now in the morning, approximately 6 a.m. New York time, right where this vertical line is, I'm in front of the computer looking at all the different instruments, and I'm taking a look at my daily trade plan. Once I make a decision whether I'm thinking about buying or selling, I'll manually put in this white arrow. Now we can take a look at that daily trade plan. It's an expert advisor running in real time, going through all the different time frames from the 30 minutes all the way up to the monthly. Does some calculations. It'll either say up, down, or flat. Finally, after it adds everything up, in the comments it'll suggest look for bullish trades or bearish trades, and some will be preferred. And of course some is just not enough strength. Now if you're trading without some kind of a daily trade plan, well, that is one very good reason why you are still struggling. Now if you have any questions or you're interested in buying, well, just get in contact with me and you will get all my contact information right below this video. Okay, let's take a look at some of these trades. The first one is the Russell. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. This trade was a little bit later after I've got the signal arrow from the daily trade plan. Everything looking good for shorting. So that's exactly what I did. Now I had some distractions around the house, and by the time I spotted it, this is where I ended up closing out the trade. But I was just looking at the totals down here, and once I knew I had 200 or more pips and ticks, I just closed out the trades and be done trading for the day. This one pays $10 for each tick, so looking at the money, this should be 11. There it is right there, 11 ticks paying out $110. Moving right along to the next trade, which is gold. Now on gold, wanted to be buying it. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan, did qualify for a great way to trade. So looking at the money, as it pays the same, also $10 for each tick, should be 23.7 actually. So let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. So from there to there should be 23. Let's go and see if we can find that 23. That's about as close as I'm going to be able to show, but let's just go with the 23 ticks, and that paid out $237. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the S&P 500. This one pays $5 for each tick. So I took the money, divided by 5, and the calculator actually says it's approximately, of course, 47. So let's see now. Sold this one. There's from the daily trade plan. Did qualify for a great way to trade. Should have got in a little higher up, but this is where I caught it. So took it here. I knew I was going to get something. What did I say? 47 about. There it is right there. 47 ticks paying out $237. Moving on to the next trade, the euro dollar. Now this euro dollar, because the USD is on the right hand side, it does pay $10 for each pip. Looking at the money, easy to see this should be 26. So let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. So from here to there should be 26. did qualify for a great way to trade. Daily trade plan said to buy. All is looking good for going up. And like I said, should be 26, and there it is right there. 26 pips, paying out $260. Moving on to the next trade, Euro CAD. Let's see now on this Euro CAD where I got in at. Drag and drop this up. Wanted to be buying it. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. Got this one right on the signal, super signal, and away it goes. So let's just check it out to see what I did get on this trade. From there to there, this is where I closed out. Looks like locking in about 77 pips, and that paid out $569. Okay, moving on to the last trade, which is the NASDAQ. Now on this NASDAQ, it does pay $20 for each tick, so I took the money divided by 20, and the calculator says it should be approximately 56, so let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. First off, there's the arrow from the super signal, did qualify for a great way to trade. I knew I was going to get something. So, calculator, like I said, says it's about 56. So, let's go and see if I can find that 56. There it is right there. You remove the last two digits. And those 56 ticks paid out $1,118. So, another great day of trading using my magic scalper. I knew it was going to be over 200. Pips and ticks, grand total came to 240. And all of those pips and ticks paid out $2,531. So if your system's not producing like my magic scalper, I recommend you get your hands on it, and don't forget about the daily trade plan. I have an extra minute or so, and I wanted to show you one of the packages that is right below this video. It's called the FibMaster tool. Let's go to the previous trade on this Euro CAD. All you're going to do is click on this tab right here. You're going to go from swing low to swing high. Price action did the pullback right in here. Came back to entry 3. And usually, nothing's 100% of the time, but usually when it hits 1, 2, or 3, you're looking for target 2, 3, 4, 5. And on many, many days, it'll hit 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Reason why this Fibonacci tool works so great is that millions of traders all over the world use this Fibonacci tool. Well, maybe not specifically this one, as this one took me quite some time to put together, and it is much, much better than the one that's provided in the MT4 platform. So if you have any questions, quite simple, just get in contact with me. And in order to do that, all you got to do is look right below this video, and in the description, well, you'll see a banner, the word more. Just click on it, it'll open up another box, and at that point you'll get my contact information plus a lot of other information. You can either pick up the phone and call me directly, you can send me an email. Now I really do prefer Skype. This way here, all you got to do is click on the link I provided for a Skype invite. We'll have a Skype connection, and at that point be able to answer all your questions in real time, and can even do some screen sharing. Also in the description you'll find 4 different packages. Recommend you getting at least minimum 3. Better if you get all 4, as you will be needing a lot of education to succeed at trading. So like I said, I want to mention also that I do have a special offer. If you buy 2 packages, I'll give you one of the other 2 packages for free. I do have many packages that I offer. In other words, a lot of training and education. And if you want to see what that is, well, if you're new to my channel, well, all you got to do is leave your name and email address, and I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips, and I can send you more information on different packages. So it looks like it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.